In this video, we're going to discuss several ways that AI can be used productively in entrepreneurship and innovation. AI offers a core set of applications that entrepreneurs and innovators can use in a wide range of contexts, from problem discovery and ideation to delivery and scaling. These applications are powerful building blocks that can be combined, adapted, and scaled to meet a variety of business needs. Broadly speaking, there are two overarching reasons entrepreneurs and innovators use AI. First, AI can be used to optimize processes across an organization's entire value chain. That is, the set of activities involved in creating and delivering a product or service, including sourcing, production, logistics, marketing, and customer support. In this type of work, AI can be used to improve efficiency, reduce cost, and enhance design quality across operations. Second, AI can serve as an ingredient in the innovation itself. That is, what the organization offers to the market by helping to create new products, services, and business models. Here, AI is not just supporting back-end processes, but it becomes part of the market offering by enabling new forms of value creation through rapid experimentation, data-driven insights, personalization, and adaptive user experiences. With these two reasons in mind, we'll explore 4 specific uses of AI that help illustrate what AI can do. This list of use cases isn't exhaustive or complete, but it shows how AI is already transforming both how entrepreneurs operate and what they offer. The first use of AI we want to look at is data collection, pattern recognition, and analysis. AI can collect, process, and summarize massive and complex structured data sets from customer interactions, market trends, sensor data, social media, and more. Further, AI can analyze unstructured data like images, audio, and video to identify patterns, detect objects and sentiment, and convert these data sources into text. There's a lot that entrepreneurs can do with these capabilities. For instance, they can embed AI in intelligent product features such as voice recognition, image capture, and chatbots to gather information from customers. Then, they can use AI tools to uncover hidden insights, identify emerging needs, and inform strategic decisions pertaining to innovation, product development, pricing, or marketing. Companies like Amazon regularly use AI to predict consumer trends, personalize shopping recommendations, and optimize supply chains. To do so, they typically use machine learning models, which are trained on large amounts of historical data, to recognize patterns in purchasing and browsing behavior on the platform. Then, the models make predictions on what products a particular shopper is likely to purchase in the future. The second way entrepreneurs might use AI is for idea generation. Generative AI tools can suggest new solutions to problems, simulate alternative approaches, and provide creative input for text, images, design, or code that a user might not have considered. So to be clear, AI cannot create like a human, but it can apply the parameters developed during its training to user inputs in order to generate outputs that inspire innovation or accelerate brainstorming. Accordingly, Entrepreneurs often use Gen AI to accelerate early stage ideation, reframe problems creatively, explore business model variations, or generate product features based on customer needs. Entrepreneurs and innovators can use Gen AI to brainstorm startup names, create logo ideas, generate wireframes for new digital products, or create marketing communication for pre-identified customer segments. While these outputs still require critical evaluation, this process can expand the creative possibilities and accelerate iteration in early stage work. The third use of AI is the creation of human-like interaction. AI systems can simulate dynamic, human-like conversation, which can provide real-time feedback in customer-facing or learning environments. This capability can help entrepreneurs to automate conversations, gather feedback, or test ideas in interactive formats. For example, entrepreneurs often use this technology to develop chat-based customer service bots, deliver onboarding for employees and clients, create educational experiences for customers, or interact with users to get feedback on products and services. It's important to note that these systems don't understand, reason, or listen the way humans do. They're just providing language-based responses based on probabilities developed during their training. However, they've become remarkably proficient at mimicking human interaction, which, if done carefully, can be put to good use. A final use of AI is decision-making and process optimization. This use can combine several of the AI functions we've just discussed. By analyzing data in real time, identifying patterns, and predicting optimal actions or pathways, AI can support or even automate altogether complex decision-making processes, such as logistics, pricing, resource allocation, or workflow automation, all of which can improve operational efficiency. For example, ride-sharing companies like Uber and Lyft feed data on location, traffic, weather, and driver behavior into an AI system in order to identify the drivers nearest the pickup location and the fastest routes to the destination. Similarly, companies can use AI systems to monitor product schedules and inventory levels to adaptively reassign tasks or reorder supplies based on historical data. Across these four types of usage, AI tools help reduce human error, increase efficiency, improve responsiveness, and facilitate creativity by being able to process large amounts of structured and unstructured data. By identifying patterns in data more quickly than humans typically can and providing algorithmically derived solutions, AI can help users make better informed, more effective, data-driven decisions. Entrepreneurs and innovators are constantly experimenting with AI to explore how it can help them optimize processes across the value chain and facilitate innovation and new business models. But, as with any technology, there are downsides to AI. First, and as we emphasized in this and previous videos, AI systems don't understand information the way humans do. They don't think, reason, or comprehend meaning. Instead, they perform complex calculations to find patterns and predict the most likely outcome based on the data they've been trained on. When an AI application gives a recommendation, generates text, or identifies a trend, it simply is estimating what's most probable based on past examples, not because it understands what the user actually wants. So users should beware not to simply accept the outputs an AI system provides without giving careful thought to whether or not the output generated seems relevant, accurate, and appropriate to the task in hand. Second, even when AI does generate potentially useful output, the generation of that output comes with substantial limitations and some serious ethical concerns. We'll discuss these important but often overlooked issues in the next two videos.